Welcome back. So I'm going to demonstrate 3 ways that you can thread your bikini string back into your top, your bottom, your dress, whatever string comes out, you can rethread it using one of these 3 ways. Even book bags, those adjustable book bags that have the strings coming out, coats, hoods. This is the first way. Stick a pin on the edge of one end of the string. Feed it through. And just keep doing this like that while you're pushing the pin through. Keep doing the according with your material. And it will eventually come through. The longer the pin, the shorter it will take. Be sure your pin is small enough to fit through the beginning and ends of the string holder, whatever you call it. And it's almost through. Make sure you don't accidentally open the pin while you're threading through. And I have a hold of the pin. And voila, your bikini is back together. The second way. The worst part is getting this little thing in there enough so you can push it with a stick. This came out of my polyester fill. 1 or 2 comes in each bag. And just push it. Make sure. But eventually, the third way is with a loop turner hook. I don't use these often because I like the pin method better. So, I think with these, let me see. You can either do it this way. Grab that. Actually, you can actually put that in there, but you put the hook through the material, close it, and bring it through your material. Ooh, that's easy. And the fourth method is the straw. If you have straws in your house, clip the end. Sometimes the string is small enough to fit through a straw. If the straw was bigger, like a McDonald's straw or another big plastic straw, use this small pin and clip the end of your bikini string to the end of the straw. If I can get it. And just put it through the edge of the straw. And take the starter end and use the larger pin and clip the ends with the pin. And you can start feeding it through. So you got the other end. And just feed that end through like that. Pull the straw. Oh, somebody's upset out there. Be careful because the pin might come in loose. But eventually got it through. And voila. That's your fourth method of getting strings back into the garments, your bags, coats, and hoods. Till next time.